Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am going through this really quickly, just showing you guys how I do my high puff. Nothing too special. If you guys hear some background noise, my sister is cleaning and bumping music. Got the air going, so I do apologize. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I just put some Eco Styler gel all around my edges. If you guys watch my cheap natural hair products, I said that I did not like Eco Styler gel, but I don't know, something is different now and it works. But I'm using a elastic headband that I cut in half. This is just what I like to do. You can use like a piece of string. I've seen people use shoelaces to do this. I like using an elastic that's cut in half because it's as if I'm using it as a regular ponytail holder, but it just gives me more control and gives me a fuller puff that way. So yeah, that's all I'm doing, tightening it. And you can, use an elastic or even use like a piece of like if you had a do-rag, you could cut part of the silk off so that you have something that's a little bit better for your hair going around the base of the puff. Now I'm just going back over my edges, taking my toothbrush and making sure I'm getting the swoops like I like it. I don't do too much with my edges. I just like them to be slick and neat. And now I'm just taking a piece of satin fabric. This isn't actually a scarf, it's actually just a piece of fabric that my sister used to use for head wraps, and I stole it, and I use it for this purpose now. I keep it on for about 10 minutes, and then after that it looks really slick and neat. You can see a little bit of fuzzy and flyaways. I should have kept it on maybe 5 or 10 minutes longer, but I was on my way to church, so I had to do it fast. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful to try to keep this quick and simple for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.